Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install Llama, Docker, and Open WebUI on Windows. Now the first thing you need to do is install Docker. So you go to Docker's official website, click here and download Docker Desktop, okay? And just choose your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, Linux. For us it's Windows, so just follow the instructions for the installation. And then what you want to go ahead and do is install Ollama. So you just visit Ollama's website, click here on the download button, and install this, follow the instructions. Okay, then you open WebUI, and all you need to do here, okay, is install this WebUI with Docker. So you open your terminal, then you pull up the Open WebUI image, okay, type this in, okay, exactly as it is, wait for the installation to complete, and then you run this command, right? Run this command, open your browser, go to this URL, create an account, and just log in. And now that we have all of this running, you can, for example, import your models, whether it's DeepSeek R1 or anything else. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.